Today is Monday, February the 7th, and we are still at anchor at Carolina Beach. The weather is kind of miserable, cold, rainy, windy, so we are sitting tight today. Thought I would get some chores done. I'm currently in the forward bilge area called the hold, and I started this morning with topping off our batteries. This battery is connected to this battery is for the bow thruster, and under these blue tops are 6 batteries that are tied together, and those are the house batteries. We have been at anchor running on the house batteries, and I've been running the generator for 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening to cook, warm up the boat, and charge the batteries. This is our battery water dispenser, and this is all distilled water that we top off the batteries with. I also topped off the batteries in the engine room for the main starting batteries and generator starting battery. So the batteries are all maintained. Every 2 or 3 months I check out the batteries. They don't take very much, but it's got to be done. Okay, on to the next project.